So today I'll be answering the question, does the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra have palm rejection? So can you just place your palm when you're using the S Pen and have it reject your palm? And the simple answer is yes. So if I go and open a document like this one, and let's say I'm using the S Pen, okay? So I've picked a certain color and now I'm writing. You don't need to put or to just avoid touching the screen with your palm. You can just place your palm on the screen like that, just for more comfort, and you can write. Okay, so you have palm rejection. You can see even if I put my palm there, it rejects it and it only accepts the stylus. Okay, so yes, thanks for watching and good luck.